Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. How to trade leverage on a paper trading account on Tradingview in 2025. If you're new to trading or want to practice without risking real money, this is perfect for you. Leverage can amplify your trades, but it also comes with risks, so let's break it down step by step. First off, what's leverage? It's like borrowing money to make bigger trades. For example, with 10x leverage, a $100 investment controls $1,000 worth of assets. But remember, in paper trading, you're simulating this on Tradingview's platform, which is ideal for beginners. To get started, open your Tradingview account. If you don't have one, sign up for free, it's straightforward. Head to the Paper Trading section, usually found under the Trade tab. Here, you can set up a virtual portfolio with fake funds. Now, for trading leverage. Once in paper trading, select an asset like stocks or crypto. Look for the leverage options in the order panel. Tradingview often supports up to 20x or more by 2025, depending on the asset. Input your trade details. Choose buy or sell, set your leverage multiplier, and define your stop loss and take profit levels to manage risks. For instance, if you're trading BTC, USD, apply 5x leverage and set a stop loss at 2% below your entry to protect against losses. A quick tip: always start small in paper trading. Simulate a few trades, track your performance, and analyze what works. By 2025, Tradingview might have enhanced features like eye-driven insights, so keep an eye out for those updates. Wrapping this up, practicing with leverage on a paper trading account builds confidence without the financial sting. Remember, real trading involves real risks, so never trade more than you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.